Hello people, welcome back to my channel. If you love seafood, today we have got something amazing for you. Crispy fried squid Goan style. It's crunchy, flavorful and perfect for any occasion. Let's dive in. First, let's cut the squid into rings. Make sure to get fresh squid for the best flavor. Once they are cut, well season them with a pinch of salt, pepper powder and a little all-purpose flour. Give them a good mix so they are nicely coated. In a separate dish, we'll create a slurry. We'll mix all-purpose flour, corn flour, a pinch of baking powder for extra crunch, salt and pepper. Add a little water and whisk it into a smooth batter. Now dip the squid rings into the slurry. Make sure they are fully coated. This batter is what will give us fried squid that extra crispy texture. Heat up some oil in a pan and fry the squid's ring in batches. Fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. It shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes on each side. Once fried, remove the squid and drain them on a paper towel. Serve them with some tangy tomato sauce or your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy this crispy Goan style treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let me know how your crispy fried squid turned out in the comment below. Until next time, happy cooking!